Good day, everybody. Today we have a Kaeser ASK28T unit. It's a 15 kilowatts screw air compressor with integrated air dryer. This compressor is almost brandly new, made in 2015, but worked only 8,600 hours, and only of that 2,500 hours under load. The compressor is in really good shape. It's regularly serviced, and it's 3,000 hours left till regular maintenance. All the filter, separator, oil filter, and new oil has been changed on this compressor. So let's see inside the compressor. There are no detected oil leaks. This machine looks really like brand new. On the back of the compressor we have integrated air dryer. It's ABT 40 version. You see, it actually works. We have prepared the test for this unit. We have connected it to 750 liters air receiver. So let's start the compressor and see how it builds pressure to 8 bars. That's it. That was 8 bars. That was 0 to 8 bars to be specific, on 725 liters air receiver. Now, yeah, the compressor shut down immediately. Now I will release some pressure so the compressor could start. That was it. fully working, almost new ASK 15 kilowatts unit. Thank you kindly for watching and good luck on your bits.